Baby Bridget, would you like your Dolly? Would you like your Dolly? Yay! Give her a hug. Give your Dolly a hug. Show her that you love her. Yeah, show her that you love her. Can you give her a hug? Yeah, that's nice. Give her a hug. Whoa. Look, baby Bridget, it's your Dolly. Do 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 do. It's your Dolly. She looks you. Yeah. Yeah, give her a hug. Yum, yum, yum. She tastes so yummy, huh? Mm-hmm. Yum, yum, yum. Do you like her hair? Does she taste so yummy when you eat her hair? Okay. Show Grandma what's on your shirt. What does your shirt say? It says, I love Grandma. Baby Bridget still needs to learn that mommies do not eat their babies. Mommies can hug their babies, but baby Bridget thinks that mommies eat their babies. That is not true.